Hi, I'm Rodrigo. This is my channel. You guys subscribe to me, and I just wanted to thank you guys for over 100 subscribers. It really means a lot to me, especially since there's a lot of different channels that you guys could be watching that do home tours, but for you guys to choose me and rock with me is immeasurable, and I appreciate it. I really do. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm gonna keep posting videos. The next goes 200, 3, 4, 5, 1,000, and then hopefully maybe, I hope, a million. Listed at 610,000, located in the city of Southgate, this 986 square foot home has been recently renovated, just at the market. Say thank you guys for your guys' comments, your guys' constructive criticism, and they're gonna be all around here. They're pretty funny, especially this one. This is my favorite one. But thank you guys. And there's gonna be a price breakdown. And I started doing price breakdowns with my reels and my shorts thanks to this comment right here. And it's something that you guys like. And I appreciate you guys once again. So like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you guys have any video suggestions, this is gonna be way in the end typically when it's done. So for the real ones that watch it to the end, if you guys have any video suggestions, like maybe I should do like a how I plan for an open house, what realtors do to get open houses, thinking about different types of videos of how I can incorporate them. I'm doing an interview with an investor. That's gonna be my next big one. I know the credit one didn't do that well. I feel like it's gonna be one of those sleeper videos, but that's gonna be the next one. And my next big video that I'm really excited for is gonna be 4 is going to be how to get an investment property and what to do, anything like that. So if you guys have any questions for that one, I'll love to answer it. I know that my credit one didn't do that good. I really liked it. I personally think it's one of my favorite videos with Oscar, the credit specialist. But I have a lot of different ideas coming. So if you guys have any suggestions, I'd love to hear it. I want to be more than just home tours, even though I really like home tours, but you know, something that's deep, something that teaches people is something that I really want to do. It's a little bit more challenging. Not saying that home videos are not challenging. I want to change the game for the home videos and also incorporate like stuff and knowledge, because my ultimate goal is to make real estate cool, and I feel like that's like a really hard thing to do. I don't know how I'm gonna do that just yet. My ultimate goal, my career goal is to be, I want to make real estate cool. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, and I have a lot of different ideas that, you know, I'm just trying to throw, but I think that I'll figure it out. And for you guys to rock with me, 100 subscribers is a big deal for me. I didn't think I would get 100 subscribers. I'm trying. 20 million, I think that would be really crazy. I know this was put way into the end. I don't think, I'll be surprised if one person watches it, but for the people that look back and be like, oh, how did he get there? I think anything is possible if you set your mind to it at the end of the day. And I appreciate you guys. So thank you guys, really.